Today let's talk about impact of cardiac rehabilitation on ventricular arterial coupling and left ventricular function in patients with acute myocardial infarction. To maintain efficient myocardial function, optimal coordination between ventricular contraction and the arterial system is required. Exercise-based cardiac rehabilitation has been demonstrated to improve left ventricular function. This study aimed to investigate the impact of cardiac rehabilitation on ventricular arterial coupling and its components, as well as their associations with changes in left ventricular function in patients with acute myocardial infarction and preserved or mildly reduced ejection fraction. Effective arterial elastance and index were calculated from the stroke volume and brachial systolic blood pressure. Effective left ventricular end systolic elastance and index were obtained using the single beat method. The characteristic impedance, ZC, of the aortic root was calculated after Fourier transformation of both aortic pressure and flow waveforms. Pulse wave separation analysis was performed to obtain the reflection magnitude. An exercise-based, outpatient cardiac rehabilitation program was administered for up to 6 months. 29 patients were studied. However, 8 patients declined to participate in the cardiac rehabilitation program and were subsequently classified as the non-cardiac rehabilitation group. At baseline, velocity showed significant associations with effective arterial elastance index and ventricular arterial coupling. There were also significant associations of left ventricular global longitudinal strain with effective arterial elastance index. Follow-up studies after a minimum of 6 months demonstrated a significant increase in velocity, improved ejection fraction, and left ventricular global longitudinal strain, and a decreased effective arterial elastance index only in the cardiac rehabilitation group. Changes in velocity were significantly associated with changes in effective arterial elastance index. Increased aortic afterload and ventricular arterial mismatch were associated with a negative impact on both left ventricular diastolic and systolic function. The outpatient cardiac rehabilitation program effectively decreased aortic afterload and improved left ventricular diastolic and systolic dysfunction in patients with acute myocardial infarction and preserved or mildly reduced ejection fraction.